In this video, I want to show you how you can set up trades in Apollo bot, and I'm going to start by showing you a simplest strategy that is easy for everyone to set, and it doesn't need you to do any other thing or going to trade view looking for coins, no, but only you tap on the strategy and you get started. Before I get started, if you're new in this YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button, like this video, and also don't forget to share it with all the people you want to share Apollo bot to. And also, if you don't have an account, I have left the link under this video description. Click on that link, register an account, and only deposits minimum of $30 to use it for buying gas fee. Here, it doesn't need to pay any subscription fee, but all you need is creating an account, buy gas fee by depositing a minimum of $30 in your account. If you don't know how to deposit, there is a video under this YouTube channel. Check on it on how you can register, how you can bind your account with any exchange, how you can buy gas fee. Without talking much, let's get started with the strategy that I want to show you in Apollo bot. Now, if you have an account, you log into your account, you've already bind your account with your exchange, you have deposited your gas fee. Now, all you need is just to come down here at strategies, where we have spot classic, feature classic, feature hedge, features indicators, then features mode. The one I want to show you is this one here. It is features mode. Now with features mode, it says that intelligent strategies control the market rhythm, efficient execution, and multiply returns. Now for you to set it, you just come and tap on it once. And how do you set a coin from features mode? In features mode, they always select best or the best coins for you to trade. That's why I say it is the easiest and the simplest strategy in Apollo bot. So you just need to come in, click on features mode. After clicking, you're going to get the best coins they have selected for you to trade. And now when you come here, you're going to get the best one. Like now we have peanuts, we have NOT, we have CRV, we have AIXBT, we have wife, we have solve. Then here we have LDO and APT. Those are the coins we have today in features mode. Now, if you come here also, it doesn't need you only just to come and start buying. No. Consider buying a coin at least with a higher win rate, like as you're seeing peanut. And here I'm not going to take you through all these coins, but I'm going to use one like peanut. Now, this is how peanut is performing. The total profit it has made is 4,603. Then the win rate is 89.83%. Then the profit rate is 37.97. Then here we have the profit factor. The profit factor is 0.32%. Then here you can see here we have 36 people are trading, and the maximum number to trade in each one here, like in peanut here, the maximum is 1,800 traders. Once people reach here 1,800 traders, then there will be no one again to join this trade unless they increase the number of traders. Yes, that is how it is. So all of that now you can understand it from all these other coins because it is just the same. Then for you now to set this coin, there is this symbol here. For you to set, all you need is just to tap on it once like this. Now when you tap, the minimum capital you must be having is 20. Now for you to set, you're just going to tap on it, then you remove this. Let me say it is 20. Then down here we leave it at leverage. This one is controlled by a robot. No, it is not you. All you need only to tap on single, then you come and edit the amount after you leave it the way it is. Then if you want to set it in cycle or in single, now for you to set in single, it means it is just going to come like it is going to give you the take profit here. As you're seeing, this one is 4%. Then the stop loss is 18%. Then the rebound is 0.2%. Now, if you want to leave it in cycle, it is going to buy when the coin drops down and it buys. Then when it goes up to 4%, it sells. Then again, it will reset that coin to start buying it afresh. Again, when it comes down, it buys, then again it sells. That is in cycle. So it is a continuous trading. You just set it once and you leave it there. It keeps on trading. Then for single is like you want it to buy once, and when it sells once, and that trade stops there. So that is the meaning of that. Now after putting that, you just come and tap on single. Now when you tap on it, it is going to set for you like you're seeing mine, but I am not going to trade this because I don't have enough capital in my wallet. But now when you set this coin like this, it is not going to buy there and then. As you can see, it is here saying waiting opening, meaning it is not buying. So it is going to wait and wait for the best time to buy that coin. That is how best this strategy is. When you buy, well, like you select the coin and you set it, when you tap on it to allow it buy, it is not going to buy there and then. It is going to pause, then look for the market. It is going to follow the market. That's why we say this is a robot. It is going to read the market. Now when it reads the market and finds the right place or the right entry, it is going to buy that coin. After buying is when you're going to see it. Now here it is going to change to running. Then here it will be showing you the floating P&L, profit or loss. That is what it is going to show you here. Now for you to see more in this coin you've purchased in features mode, you just tap on it. Now when you tap on it here, it is going to display for you everything. The position status is waiting, it has not bought. Then the realized P&L is 0 because everything is still 0. Then the floating P&L 0, floating rate 0, average price 0 because it has not bought. That's why average price is also like that. Then last price, it is 0.202. That is the last price, the current price of the coin. Then the position quantity is 0. The position VL is $0 because you have not yet bought. If you buy, that's when your amount will appear here. Then here we have parameters. Parameters here, it is showing you the number of days you've been in that trade, hours and minutes. For me now here it is showing that I have been in this trade for 1 minute, but it has not yet bought. Then here it is showing me the position or grid, which is $20. Each buying it is going to use $20. Then the stop loss is 18%, take profit is 4%. Then trail stop is that. Then here for long, now here it has long and short, but because we have selected short, that's why you're seeing here it is green. But this thing keeps on changing. It can change for you like short parameter to take it, just to interchange according to the robot's analysis. If the market is doing well, it is going to change. If it is not doing well, it doesn't change. Even the take profit, it just keeps on changing them because it is going to be following the market. Then now here we have the long parameters where we have maximum order. Maximum order is 0 of 7, meaning I have not yet bought, but the orders it is going to buy 7 times. So you must be having $20 times 7. That is $140 is what you will be having. But even if you don't have that amount, don't mind about that. Then we have the position VL 0, position quant 0, floating PNL, everything here is 0. Then down here is just the same like I have shown you there. Then if you want to know again, to see more about it, just come and tap here, and here you're going to see the logs about that trade. But of course I have not yet bought. Now if again you want to modify it, you just tap on that coin, then you come and modify. You want change here, you want increase the amount, or you want to take it back to cycle. After you just click on update, then boom, your thing is now updated here. Then here if you want to close it, you close here. Then if you want to stop it, you stop by clicking here. Now we can first go back and I show you other thing what I wanted to show you still here in features mode. Now you can see that now this button here is saying has been started, meaning I am not going to buy this one again since I have already started a coin. There's a coin running in that trade. That is how it is. Then now again, if I buy this one will also be blinded until I get out. That's when it will be highlighted like it is highlighted. Now if you want to see people who are trading, and you can also see yourself in this coin, just tap on here, tap on it. Then here it is going to show you everything. It is showing you momentum, says relying on high frequency algorithm and market depth data, we can capture risk arbitrage opportunities such as cross exchange spread and funding rate difference in real time, realize subtotal spread profits through rapid buying and selling, accumulate small profits into large ones, and steadily improve capital utilization and returns. Then here we have the running days, the days this coin have been running in features mode. In Apollo bot it is 62 days. Then asset management is this. Then the total profits it has made, it is 4,603. Then the win rate is this, 89%. The profit rate is this. Then profit factor is this. Then profit number is this one. Loss number is 6. Then the followers, people who are trading 37 out of 1,800. Then the max drawdown is this. Then here is the PNL. Here we can just see for Saturdays, but if you want to change, like we can just cancel that and we put for 7 days and we see what has happened in the last 7 days. If we want for Saturdays, just tap on it and we see how it has been performing in the last Saturdays. Let's just take it back to 90 days. Right, for 90 days, that is it. Now here we can just scroll down here. Here you can see followers. Here we can scroll and you see, so this person is trading for 70 days. This is what he has made. This person entered is only trading with $20, but he has made a profit of $4 in 13 days. You can see how good this one is. Even these ones are good. Then now you can see this person is trading with 2,000 capital, and he has been here for 13 days and has made 1,500. So is making almost 50% in only 13 days. What about in the month? Then this person also the same, is trading with 20 for 13 days, has made this. Then this person, let's go down and we see where I am. You can see this is my account. This is my account DevTech. This is the trade. I wanted to trade with this, but it has not yet started. This person has taken 1 day. Now you can see that there are people who have taken days when the coin has not yet bought, because the robot is still studying the market. Once it reaches where the market is down, it is going to buy, and the trade starts from there. So this one is not like other trades whereby you just enter and it enters directly. No, this one will read for you the market and buys for you in the right time, in the right position, and also sells in the right time, in the right position. That is how that one is. Now this one is trading with $100 for 4 days and has made, that's all. That is how it is. Now I want to go and cancel this trade because I don't have enough money. So here I will come and click on feature, and here is the coin. Now here I'm just going to tap on stop. The other thing I want to tell you as I'm stopping this is that when you're buying a coin from features mode, it doesn't buy there and then. So you must be patient, wait, because the robot is going to study the market. When it sees that it is now the right time for me to buy or to buy for this trader, then it will buy for you and also sell in the take profit it has set for you. So that is all about trading with Apollo bot. Guys, that is all I wanted to show you in this video. Remember to subscribe, liking, and also sharing. Find the link under this video description to create an account. We meet